Hello. Quest Global is into transmission and distribution for more than a decade, and we have been supporting our clients for building monitoring and control solutions for addressing the needs of the legacy grid as well as the smart grid requirements. And the team here in Quest is well versed with the technologies as well as the complexities involved in transmission and distribution, as well as the new devices which are coming into the smart grid and related aspects. And while we are building our capabilities on technologies and keeping pace with the new technology landscape, we have been nurturing our domain knowledge, and that have been one of the key differentiator by which we were able to support many of our clients, and that was one of the reason many of our clients chosen us as their partner for many of the major programs. And in fact, our team here is really understand very well about the intricacies and the complexities involved in the SCADA packages which are needed to handle data spread across large geographies, and then managing it on a wide area network, and finally managing that large size data which ultimately to be presented in a central control room with state of the art UIs and needed features. Coming to the trends in the industry, basically there are three important aspects happening, three important drivers in the field. Number one is the new entry of the smart devices, which are basically the smart meters, and then the IEDs, intelligent electronic devices, and also the what you call the PMUs, phasor measuring units. All these devices together, smart meter, intelligent electronic devices in the substation, and the PMUs, phasor measuring units together gets almost the real-time picture of the entire network to the control room. So you are seeing the network almost real time, and gives the situational awareness to the customer, and the huge amount of data is coming because of these new these devices which are pumping in a lot of data, and all those things needs to be managed. So an ordinary SCADA package which cannot manage, which cannot handle these things, hence the requirement of the new technologies like IoT and the cloud based systems and the remote monitoring and all that. So these things, even though the buzzwords came into the market like IoT and the cloud and all that, these aspects were used in the power industry extensively, and we have been supporting our clients to build such solutions and maintain such solutions. As I said, the first one was the new devices, entry of new devices into the field, and the second one is about the industry standards, mainly the cyber security. Cyber security is one thing which touches almost every element of smart grid, right from the smart meter and then up to the software which runs in the central control room. The devices needs to be even made mechanically strong to have a tamper proof, and also the software, firmware, and also the communication protocols to be strengthened at different levels, and the policies and practices have to be in place to make sure that it is totally intrusion proof. So these challenges are also very important, and this is being addressed by all existing products as well as the new products being introduced. So we are helping our clients to build all these solutions. And the third point is about the smart grid, which is the most evolving and emerging area where we are supporting our clients in multiple areas. I will touch upon just two of those areas. One is the virtual power plant. Virtual power plant is basically aggregating the various DERs, distributed energy resources, and then finally bringing the enough quantity of power to connect that to the grid. So one DER alone may not be able to provide enough power. So that is the reason the aggregation is needed. And then secondly, the integration of these with the batteries or the storage devices. Storage devices gives the availability and stability of power. So availability, stability, and enough quantity is assured by the virtual power plant. So from the grid side, it looks like a virtual power plant is a real power plant. It provides enough power whenever needed, and it also provides the quality power and the stable power. So the optimization of investment needed for additional capacity has to be addressed by the DR programs and also the customer participation. So DR programs is again mostly software driven aspect, and which is also based on the policies from the utilities and all that, but then it is successfully implemented and piloted by us for our customers, and then it is also ensuring the customer participation in the sense that the devices which are going to come in the smart homes, which has to be user friendly and has to clearly bring out the benefits of using the new policies and the energy optimization packages from the utilities. So the user friendliness and also the DR programs, demand response programs, are very critical. So we are building such solutions with our clients to address such needs, and we are piloting many such projects with many of our clients. So to summarize, we are kind of touching upon all the areas in the transmission, distribution, as well as the smart grid, and the team here is well versed with all the related domain aspects as well as technologies. So we are such a team which can take over any such requirements coming up from our customers. Thank you.
Are you born to engineer?